The one-up-to-infinity referral system is a game changer for anyone looking to build a substantial email list effortlessly. Here's how it works. When you refer someone to Free List Monster, every odd referral goes to your sponsor, while every even referral stays in your downline. This unique setup not only incentivizes you to grow your list, but also allows for exponential growth through a cascading effect. Imagine your first referral bringing in one more person. That person then generates additional referrals, and half of them come back to you. This means that as your downline expands, so does your email list, potentially for an indefinite period without extra effort. Each new user in your downline works to grow the network, and you continue to benefit from their efforts. The system maximizes engagement and rewards for both you and your referrals, creating a thriving community. With the potential to reach up to 10,000 subscribers, this method provides an excellent pathway for those looking to monetize their efforts with Free List Monster. Start your journey today and watch your email list flourish with this innovative model.